Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I'm still at home. That's why I'm creating a new content for you guys. I'm not yet resuming for my work. Our store are not yet allowed to operate as per the ministry here in Oman. Maybe they're still on discussing which new norms, regulation, protocol or precaution that we need to follow before we open, and I hope they will announce that soon, the sooner that I'm expecting. So yeah, I have to wait for that. And today video guys, I am actually thinking which food that I'm going to prepare, and then while searching inside my fridge, I saw this leftover fried chicken. It was our dish a day before yesterday if I'm not mistaken. So instead of snubbing it, why not turn it into a chicken salad? So I decided to prepare some of the ingredients that I'll be needing for this chicken salad, and I'll be using mayonnaise because I don't have here a Greek yogurt. If I have that Greek yogurt, that will be a good choice. That will be a good choice for this chicken salad. And what are we going to do next now here is to put all the ingredients in one bowl and mix them all well together, and that's it. You already have your chicken salad. As easy as that. And about the amount of salt, it depends on you guys. If you want it to become more salty, then you can add more salt to it. And you know, I'm using mayonnaise because I don't have choice. That is the only dressing that I can make that I have inside the house right now. But if I have this Greek yogurt, that will be a good choice. Then I can add a garlic. You know, the combination of Greek yogurt and garlic, the flavor was superb. And then I can add the dry oregano and parsley, all dry. It adds texture and flavor also to the chicken salad. And yeah, you know that it is only a leftover fried chicken, and then we turn it into a salad. And here it is now guys, we just turned the leftover food into a salad. That is so clever. If you like this video guys, please give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like these, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the bell button for more notification. I love you guys. I hope to see you soon on my next video, and if you have any suggestion, just suggest on my comment section.